Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, and we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to overlook any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 7.38. Let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 5.37%. This equates to an average return of 0.26% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is positioned in the upper part of a narrow and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $610 and $6,700 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.35% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 4.44% to 8.89%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 25.57% over the next year, with a possible return between 15.68% and 26.92%. This translates to a price range of $702.88 to $771.18 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate after Wednesday trading session. The SPY ETF price increased by approximately 0.623% on the last trading day, rising from $603.85 to $607.61. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see if it can continue this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.488%, with a low of $604.96 and a high of $607.91. The price has risen in 9 out of the last 10 days and is up by 2.93% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 10 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with approximately 34 million shares changing hands for about $20.770 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $607.91, while the lowest price was $454.31. Currently, the price is 0.05%, or $300 below the 52-week high of $607.91, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite have reached intraday record highs, propelled mainly by strong performances in technology stocks, which have surged by approximately 1.3%. This bullish trend reflects confidence in the market as investors anticipate a Santa Claus rally, potentially lifting prices as the year comes to a close. Looking ahead, analysts are optimistic about the S&P 500's earnings growth, projected to approach 6% for the third quarter, surpassing earlier expectations. This positive earnings outlook supports the rising price targets for 2025, with several brokerage firms, including Wells Fargo, taking a bullish stance on the market's performance. However, there are warnings of certain stocks lagging behind the S&P 500 due to inflated pricing, suggesting potential corrections in the broader market. Meanwhile, mixed forecasts highlight the uncertainty surrounding future performance, particularly in light of unexpected jobs data. In the short term, these developments may lead to increased market activity and potential gains as traders position themselves for year-end rallies. In the long term, sustained earnings growth and investor optimism could further elevate the price of SPY, but caution is warranted given the volatility and possible corrections in specific sectors. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which presents a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $602.10 and $588.87. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, November 15, 2024, and since then, the ETF has increased by 3.73%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot point is established. Notably, trading volume is rising alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. However, there have also been some negative signals that may impact short-term developments. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 22 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 84 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 570.98 and 568.25. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund tests a support level. If this support is breached, the fund may decline to the next support level. In this scenario, SPY's support is located just below today's level at 570.98. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at 568.25 and 554.42. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is regarded as very low. Over the last day, the fund experienced a movement of 2.95 between its highest and lowest points, which equates to 0.488%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the fund has been 0.471%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the exchange-traded fund could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at 570.98. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $576.48, representing a decrease of 5.12%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? The SPY ETF presents several positive indicators and is currently following a gentle upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this analysis, we believe it is a strong option at present levels, with expectations of further gains over the next 3 months. We have revised our assessment of this ETF from a buy to a strong buy since our last evaluation. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the present price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of December, we anticipate that SPY will open lower by approximately 78 cents, starting at $606.83. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.